What is going on with the market? Hey, what's up, guys? Profit Day Trader here, and I just want to talk a little bit about what's going on. I've never seen this before, and want to give some advice and also some precautions. So stick around, and we're going to go through a couple things that we need to keep in mind here. So if you thought 2020 was crazy, 2021 trading has been insanity, absolute insanity, and you have to be careful. Please, please, please be careful. It's exciting. I know it's exciting. Everybody's on this revolution, get the big guy, but unfortunately, this is going to wind up hurting a lot of the smaller guys. Some of the smaller guys are going to be getting a lot of money at this, but the other half is going to be losing a lot of money. So you got to be very careful. So I want to talk about some precautions and some advice for investing in the year 2021 so far. Unless you've been living under a rock, you know what's been happening with GameStop, AMC, BlackBerry, Nokia. It's been insane. I usually stay away from those stocks. I dabbled in GameStop just a little bit, but that's gambling. If you get into that high volatility, crazy stuff, it's gambling. So I did a little bit. I did pretty well with it. So I probably still should have stayed away, but I'm happy overall. The result was positive. But if you guys are thinking about investing in 2021, be careful. I know it's exciting. I know you hear these hype stocks. I know it seems like it's easy right now, but it's probably harder than ever, especially coming from someone who's a little more experienced. I'm not sure what level you're trading at watching this video, but if you are, you know how this can end. So when the market is this volatile, you have a huge mountain up, but then there's also always the huge mountain downward. So you don't want to be on the wrong side of that mountain. So you have to be very, very, very careful. I know it's exciting. I know it's fun, and you might even make a little bit of money or a lot of money, but just understand that what is happening right now is not typical. So if you think this is like the way the stock market trades, it's not. So just please, please, please be careful. So a tip that I have for you guys trading in 2021 is it seems to be a trendy type of market. So it's very good if you guys are following people on Reddit, following people on Facebook, stock, Twits, all that stuff. So just understand that right now the market is a trendy, what's hot today type of market. Now, be careful because, I mean, that it's not super abnormal. I mean, the market there's a lot of usually stocks that are trading with no real catalyst, just kind of just trading insanely by retail traders. But understand that what's happening now is a little bit different. It's a little more, I don't want to say manipulations, because manipulation sounds like a negative word, but it's very, very viral. It's very, this company is saying, this group is saying invest in this, and then there's millions of people just putting their money into it. So it's a little bit different than it usually is. So going forward, I would say definitely follow the stocks. I'm not sure how long this trending thing's going to last, but you could make a decent amount of money if you're following these trends. So just be careful. You do not want to be on the wrong side of this. So either invest a little bit of money and hope it rides up high and put a short stop loss in, or just avoid it altogether and wait till the market gets back to a little bit normal trading. So another tip goes back to what I just said. Don't use a lot of money. Do not go all in right now. I know you hear in stores that people 5x and 10x in their money and within a week or two, and that sounds exciting and that sounds great. I know it is, but they're the lucky people. It's just like winning the lottery. Understand that you have to be smart about this. You have to be on the defensive with this. You have to act like as if you're going to lose your money. You don't worry about how much you can profit. You only worry about how much you can lose. So if you can't lose, if you don't have a couple $1,000s to lose, don't put a couple $1,000s in the market. Right now, the market it can go up 300% and it can crash 50, 100, 80, 90% the next day. So understand that this is how the markets work. What goes up must come down situation. So I know it's fun. I know it's like this revolution type of thing, but if you can, please just put in a small amount of your money, a few $100, maybe $1,000. Don't go all or nothing in this. You can really hurt you. You gotta understand there's gonna be a future. You're gonna have other things in life to take care of. So if you mess up big, this could really change your life. So please be careful. So if you're as confused as me, I would love to be able to give you better advice, but I don't think really anybody out there, no matter how experienced they are, we've never seen this before. I've never seen this kind of trend where they go on social media, they recommend a short squeeze, and then they just had that much of a following to get actually to work. So I'm learning this as well. So if you guys have advice, comment below. I would love to learn because I'm trying to make money as well, obviously. But I've been so nervous to trade this because I'm more of a go for more of the sure thing type of trader. I'm not really a high risk, high reward type of guy. I'm more of a let's keep it consistent, which I think is the way to structure a business. So in 2021, I've been having a little bit of issue because, of course, I would love to trade GameStop, AMC. I love to trade these stocks, but as you can see, especially this Monday, the stock's been going up and then crashing hard. So I'm learning as well with you guys. So if you have any advice, I would definitely love to hear some. But yeah, that's it, guys. I mean, as far as today's topics of trading in 2021, I'm just as confused as you guys are. I mean, I would love to say I know all the answers, but I don't think anybody does. So all I can say is, you guys, be careful. I'm not saying to stay away from the market. I mean, it seems like the market, there's a lot of money to be made in the market nowadays, but just be on the careful side. Understand that this isn't typical. This is abnormal, and at any moment these trends could stop and this stuff could crash very quickly. So I hope you guys the best. I wish you guys the best. Good luck to everybody. And if you like these videos, like and subscribe. I'd really appreciate it. I'm really trying to grow this channel, try to grow this community. So, but yeah, other than that, I mean, thank you guys if you made it this far. I appreciate it. And I'll see you guys in the next one.